Welcome to ULA, Ultimate Lifestyle Adventures. We are Bondi and Shell. Join us as we explore and find our next adventure. It could be standing on the edge of Australia, helping out on a farm. Maybe try your luck to strike it rich. Walking into the unknown, or how about paddle up the Everglades? Whatever you decide, I hope we inspire you to get out and find your own adventure. So it's time for an upgrade now on our Stone Stompers. So I've been in touch with Stone Stomper themselves and ordered myself some new canvas flaps for the back of the vehicle. The mesh part hooking up to the van's pretty good still, so but as you can see we've had a fair bit of wear and tear with these guys. They've certainly taken it for the team and taken a few rocks over the kilometres we've travelled in some of the roads we've been on. So but it's all good, eh? So we're going to rip this bar off and replace it with the new ones. And all they asked me was to measure from one side of the bar to the other bar. That's it, just a bar length. That's all they needed. Today my package has arrived from Stone Stomper. Let's open up and see what we got, eh? Alright, she's all wrapped up pretty good, eh? Look at that, guys. They even supply the new rivets to rivet onto the bar, and looks like a set of instructions or some information anyway. That's awesome. And oh, look at that. How good is that, guys? There you go. How's that, guys? Stone Stomper replacement canvas flaps. And they're black actually. That's going to look really nice actually on the white. Our Stone Stomper is pretty easy to remove. It's just a case of undoing those couple of nuts and we're off. So there you go. Mine was only a couple of bolts and mine is off. Easy as that. Righto. Then it's just a case of just popping out your rivets. Just drill them out like you would do with any sort of rivets. Just drill them and then pop them out. And before you know it, you've got it all off, ready for the new ones to go on. Pop the rivet off that little hole where you've had the rivets in, and then just slide it off. How easy is that? Slide it off, and just with your rivets that are still sticking in, just pop them in. So with the new one, just slip it over, slide it on. Easy that, how's that? Just slide it straight on, eh? All you do now is just work out where these holes are. Just mark where the holes are in here. Put the rivets in. Let's do that. So once you've worked out where the old holes were, just mark the holes. Don't make them too big on to tear the canvas. Put the new rivets in. And I just used the old one actually to line up roughly where it was. On there, on there. So I've just used the old one and it worked out perfectly for me. So first one is on. Perfect. So just repeat the same process. Now that it's all re-riveted, re-attached to that bar, what I'm going to do is put it back on. We have gone from that to that. How good does that look now, eh? The black does look better than the other. Just blends in, eh? Absolutely blends in brilliantly. So guys, that's how easy it is to replace the canvas flaps on your Stone Stompers. All your rivets are supplied, as I showed you. Everything's there for you. Just give them the size of the actual overall bar and they will supply the rest. So all I can say is thank you very much, Stone Stomper. So if you are looking for any more information in regards to the Stone Stomper, get onto their webpage www.stonestomper.com.au for more information, or give them a call on the number below. Cheers guys.